focused on the vital theme of integrity, a quality that defines our character and shapes our choice in life. It's a guiding principle that influences our behavior and interaction with others. So, good morning everyone. I am a Single of grade 9, standing before you to present today's morning assembly. Prayer is like having a talk with someone very special, like a friend or a wise guide who listens to us. So, everyone get ready for the prayer. Kindly hold your hands. Responsibilities towards our nation. So, for this, I would like to call Saurabh.
Everybody take pledge position. India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am.
I would like to call Soumya to share thought of the day.
Good morning, everyone. Thought of the day is the integrity of man is to be measured by their conduct, not by their profession. Thanks.
Thank you, Soumya. To add a new word in our dictionary, I would like to call Ayush.
Good morning, everybody. Today's word of the day is atrocious, meaning extremely bad or unpleasant. Sentence: the traffic on the highway was atrocious, making us late for the meeting.
Thank you, Ayush. Now, I would like to hand over the mic to Kushagra so that he can tell us more about our topic.
A very wonderful morning to everyone. I am Kushal from ninth Standard, standing in front of you to elaborate the topic integrity. Integrity is the quality to being honest and having strong moral principles. Integrity is essential in our daily life. It shapes our character, influences our actions, and guides our interactions with others. Living with integrity requires a commitment to honesty, authenticity, and ethical behavior even in difficult situations. Every stage of life has an integrity exam that we should all be able to pass. A pupil with strong and moral principle wouldn't lie or disappoint others. Excellent outcomes and increased productivity are always produced in workplace that values integrity. Now, I am finishing my words by saying that integrity is one of the greatest bonds and one of the most beautiful gifts one can ever ask for. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Kushagra. Let's welcome Purva to share interesting facts with us.
Good morning, everyone. Here are some facts on mathematics. Every odd number has an e. There is no numeral for 0. On dice opposite side always add up to the number 7. The number 2 is the only even unprime number. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Purva. Now, to update ourselves with current happenings, I would like to call Manvi.
Good morning, all of you. Myself, Manvi. Today's news headlines are international news. EU Parliament adopts new rules to improve air quality by 2030. National news to West Bengal. Bengal government moves SC against HC order counseling appointment of over to 25,700 teachers. EVM BBPAT test SC results a judgment after getting EC clarification on machine. Sports news. We don't go to poor countries. Vrinder Sehwag on way. Indians will not feature in foreign T20 league. Temperature maximum 39 degrees Celsius. minimum 25 degrees Celsius, humidity 57%. Today is World Malaria Day, which is celebrated every year on 25 April. Thank you.
Thank you, Manvi. Now, everyone, get ready for the national anthem.